Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Fluidity of Life. For tonight's dinner, we're gonna make another salad. It's a garden salad. And here are the ingredients. These are lettuce, cucumber, red cabbage, and a little bit of green cabbage, tomato, and cilantro and basil, green and purple basil, and cilantro flowers, and red onions. And we're gonna make our own salad dressing. Just lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and a little bit of honey. Glenn's gonna be grilling chicken kebabs. That's gonna be our supper tonight. Let's start prepping. And I forgot, we can have fruits in our salad. I'm gonna use some of these fresh strawberries. Okay, we'll start prepping. We'll start with our lettuce because this is our base. By the way guys, all of these are already washed. I think this one is better. Next, a little bit of cabbage. Make it as fine as you can. Couple leaves of the red cabbage, and I'm not using the, what you call this, in the middle, in the center. I'm not using that one. For color, plus different color. They said that the darker the color, the more nutrients. And you mix it as you go along. Make sure your hands is clean. You don't want to wait till you slice everything before you mix it. As you go along, mix them so they'll be all mixed nicely and evenly. Much better knife. and get rid of the seeds. Goes into the pool. Then a cucumber, I'm only using half of it. I'm peeling not all of them, just like stripe. And I like the English cucumber because it's not bitter and no seeds. And our cilantro. You can use dill, you can use whatever herbs of your choice. It's just that I have herbs and I have basil, so and as finely as you can. Into the pool. That's how it looks. Now you're gonna mix it again. A little bit of red onion. I'm gonna use strawberries. Make use of what's in season. It's summertime, a lot of fruits. But this is optional if you don't want. Actually, you can use whatever you want. If you don't like fruits in your salad, you can skip the fruit. But me, I like a combination of saltiness and sweetness. There you go. Mix again. But be gentle when you're mixing. You know, just toss them around. This is a lot of salad for the two of us. And the basil, the green and red basil, and the cilantro flowers. Those are edible, guys. You might think those are not edible. They are edible. But like I said, if you don't like cilantro, you can skip cilantro. You can use what's the other one? Parsley instead. Mix so you get the herbs evenly distributed. Now we can transfer it to a bowl or salad bowl. Look how pretty is that, guys. Very summer looking salad. Look at that. This can feed an army. And the cilantro flowers, you can decorate it with flowers, edible flowers. And I'm gonna make the dressing, but we won't pour the dressing until we're ready to eat, or else our vegetable gonna get soggy. Oh, look at that, so cute. There it is, guys. Now we're just gonna prepare our dressing. Guys, for our dressing, I'm gonna use the juice of half of the lemon. Just eyeballing it. Should be good. And a little bit of honey, maybe a teaspoon. And salt and pepper. Taste. Like a quarter tablespoon. Shake, 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 shake. Give me some strawberries. Really crunchy. Okay guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you guys liked the recipes, and thanks for all the people that subscribed, and anyone that hasn't, please feel to do so. Hit the bell button, comment if you like, and share if you get a chance. We'll see you in the next vlog.
Bye.